Alright guys, it is that time of year again where Apple pretty much steals all of my money. Today we're going to be unboxing the iPhone 14. I've got it in this nice blue color, haven't even opened it yet. Got a few fingerprints on it. Let's get started. So we've obviously got the box right here. Like I said, I got it in the blue color, 128 gigabytes. Now in the store, I was actually going to get the purple one. Actually, while I'm describing this, let's get this unboxing actually started. But yeah, when I was in the store, I was actually going to get the purple one because for some reason I just found that the purple looked better to me. And when I was looking at the blue, I don't know, something about it, it just looked, how do I phrase it? It looked like washed out, if that made sense. Oh, I forgot this side. God, how I've done this so many times. Jesus Christ. There we go. But here we go. We've got the phone coming out right now. And there it is. Honestly, looking at it right now, I'm kind of digging the blue color. Like for some reason in the store, it didn't look good. But I don't know, seeing it now like up close, I'm liking this colorway. Let's put the phone down for a second. Check out whatever else comes in the box. So we've got our standard paperwork. Ooh, are we going to get blue stickers? That is the question. Please, please. Nope, white. That's tough, L. We got our lightning to USB-C cable. Still crazy, honestly, the fact that these phones really don't use USB-C. Like, it's now gotten to the point where I have so many things that are USB-C. And the fact that my phone isn't is kind of rough. But anyways, of course, the main attraction, iPhone 14. Let's get a peel. God, satisfying just every time. So immediately, some of the things that I'm already seeing is the fact that the cameras are just that little bit bigger. Really excited to test them out and see the full capabilities of these cameras, especially with, you know, things like photonic engine and, you know, trying out hopefully a new and improved cinematic mode because, you know, last year when I used it, it was all right, but definitely needed work. Here's an up close of the cameras itself. Got our power button on this side, volume rockers, and immediately you guys can probably see it as well. Just the fingerprints that are starting to get onto this thing. Honestly, it's expected at this point. Like, if it's a lighter color, you're just going to see fingerprints, but feels good in the hand. It doesn't feel as big as I'm used to. Like, for context, my daily driver right now is this 11 right here. And like I mentioned, just going from the round back to this square boxier design, like we saw last year with the 13, it really just feels great in the hand. And even you can see there that the 11 is slightly bigger than this. You can see the difference in the camera bumps. Just look at that size difference. So anyways, yeah, I really like the feel of this. Let's actually get it powered on. I've been rambling this whole time. And with the power of magic editing, I'm gonna see you guys when the phone's actually set up. Okay guys, the new phone is set up. Just finished a few minutes ago. You can see that it's running the new iOS 16, which looks beautiful. And, you know, during the time that it was being set up, I decided to look at what the differences are between this phone and the iPhone 13. And I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty crazy how little differences there are between this phone and the 13, right? Like I said, some of the things that I'm obviously excited for is this new camera system. But in the grand scheme of it, it's actually not that different, right? It's just a little bit of a lower aperture or higher. I can't remember the photography terminology. A little bit faster with that extra GPU core, right? But, you know, all around, it's actually not that different of a phone. So it's gonna be really interesting to see if people decide to pick this up or, you know, if they just decide to stick with the iPhone 13. Because if you just decide to look at the spec sheets, it's really not that different. But obviously, that is a topic for a later video. But as for my first impressions of this phone, again, I really like the color and just the size and feel of this. I mean, it's so similar to the iPhone 13 and, you know, honestly, that was a great device as well. So it's gonna be interesting to see what people choose. And I'm mad excited to test this out for the next little while. So let me know if there's anything specific that you guys want to see with this phone. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.